In this next exercise, learners are going to focus a little bit more clearly on items in their art piece. As you can see, I've taken this leaf which is surrounding my leopard. In the middle leaf, I took 3 different greens and I used a shading technique to create a green leaf. I then explored with the secondary colors yellow and blue, which are on either side of green. And in this particular leaf, I made the darker sort of shadow areas blue and the lighter areas yellow. And then there's green in between. And I really like this effect, actually. I feel that the leaf came alive and I found it fun. And then in the third leaf, I thought, okay, let me try complementary colors, in other words, opposites. So here we've got green and red, and I created a leaf using green and red. Now, if I were to do my whole background with the green and red, it would create a very vibrant background, and it is a choice. So it depends if I want harmony or something vibrant. So those were my leaves. It was a lot of fun, and learners have got some choices when it comes to their particular items, so they can use complementary colors, related colors, different techniques, depending on what their choice is. I then went on to explore the marking of the leopard, and I looked at including with the black a cool color being the purple and 2 different yellows. Then I used warm colors. Now I know this is going to work. I know the warm colors work because the leopard has warm coloring. This one is more an experiment to see how I feel about cool colors. But here we've got browns and oranges and yellows. So what you would like to try and show the learners is that things don't have to be just one flat color. You can use bring all sorts of colors in. And this here is the normal sort of just black and yellow, plain black and yellow. I went on to explore the footprint, and here again I just used black and gray. This one I brought in browns and even a little bit of orange, and this one I brought in blues and purples. So I'm slowly getting an idea of what it means to use the cooler colors or the warmer colors and what they look like together. And this leaves me with some idea of how I could go about my art piece. I'm going to explore a little bit further over the next few days. I'm still not quite sure whether I'm going to go for the cools or the warms, or whether I'm going to go for the red and green or the harmonious, but I'm going to put them all together and make some decisions. And remember, we don't have to stick with the result that we first have in mind. This is a moving work of art and it can change at any time. So the idea is to experiment, explore, and have fun. We're not looking at right or wrong. We're looking at what happens if I do this? How do I feel about it? So I hope you all enjoy this. It is really a liberating experience when it comes to color, and one that, if it's really understood and practiced at this young age, can serve them in good stead for the rest of their lives.